H2. My lights are on. Those are DRL lights. Daytime running lights. They are LED lights. And if we look at now, I turn the headlights off, and those are LED lights from Auxbeam. I have received the new lights from Auxbeam. The Auxbeam lights I'm using, those are F16 series. And these are the new lights. They are really nice, and I'm going to share with you, even though I have a LED light, but I'm going to upgrade with the new version. And let's get started. Open the hood. As I mentioned that I have Auxbeam LED lights, and these are F16 series. I'm going to replace with the new version. These are beautiful LED lights. This is the plug and play. This one has a built-in canvas driver, so you won't get any error on your dashboard. And also this one really cools down faster. So these are the LED bulb. Very nice, high quality gold color LEDs. And these are the adapters, and it's very easy to fit in. 6-pin connector, and it's only one way it goes in and it locks in. And when you're going to open it, you press the button, the tab goes down, then you pull it out. So this is very easy to install it. If you see, there is a small arrow in the lines. There are small tabs, those locks in. If we turn it around like this, and then you pull this out, and then it's very easy to go inside our socket. Once we put the socket in, then we're going to put this, will slide in like this, and then you're going to turn it clockwise. Just like that, and it will lock in. And it's very important, as for the orientation, when we are putting the LED, it has to be straight like this, not like this. These are F16 series. In order to remove it, pull it out. And to take it out, we can pull it straight like this. These are the older LEDs, and these are the new ones. Notch up here. That always goes straight like this. We press it, and it's seated nicely at the bottom. And this is the locking nut. In order to put it in, it's very easy. We're going to take it out, as I have shown you earlier. This will come out. The locking nut, we're going to place it in like this, and we're going to put the cap back. You just turn it slowly and it locks in. So once it's locked, this is the orientation. That goes at the top, and LED has to stay straight. Once it's firmly seated, the locking nut, you turn it, it locks in. Now the LED is going to stay firm in its place. And this is the connector we plugged in the same way. You can put the tie wrap here, and so it won't be moving around. What I have done, I use a small piece of wire, and the way I do it, I put this wiring right inside, and we're going to press it down. It's not going to move anywhere. And I'm going to install the second LED the same way on other side. We're going to take out the locking nut, slide out. Make sure that you putting like this on the top, like this. As you can see, it's locked in. We're going to turn the locking nut in its place. The LED firmly is in place. I'm going to plug this one in. You can put a tie wrap here, slide it in, and it will sit in its place. It's not going to move, and we're going to put the connector. And that's it. Close the hood, and I'm going to show you the performance. At this moment, it's a bright sunny day, and I'm going to turn it on and you will see the difference. Look at how bright they are. This is the evening time, and I'm going to turn the lights on and you can see how bright they are. I really like Auxbeam lights, and I hope you're going to like it as well. I'll list the part number under my description in case if you want to change yours. Like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. For more Hummer and other auto videos, please click on the bell notification. And for cooking recipes, please click my other channel, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.